The Agroecology and Resilience Project employs climate resilient sustainable agriculture as an adaptation to climate change. We have worked with smallholder farmers, and we are also working with schools in their school farms and gardens to introduce the concept and, most importantly, the idea of soil fertility enhancement in terms of composting. And recently we are working with 3 schools: Kudan Lower Basic School, Caroline Lower Basic School, and Pakanjogu Upper and Senior Secondary School. We have also supported them in terms of materials and seedlings, so that not only are they going to learn theoretically but practically seen to be doing the work. In the long run, the seedlings will serve as a source of food and at the same time contribute towards food security.